If you don't like complicated jargon but still want to understand machine learning, then stick around, because we've got you covered. Machine learning is like teaching a computer to think like a human. Imagine you have a friend who loves pizza. You notice every week they try a new topping. Soon enough, you can predict their next topping choice. That's machine learning in action. We start with data. Think of it as the ingredients for a recipe. Algorithms are the cooking steps. Mix them together and voila! You get insights, predictions, and even recommendations. There are different kinds of algorithms like decision trees, which are like flowcharts that help you make decisions step by step. Or neural networks, mimicking the human brain, learning from vast amounts of data. And the best part, you don't need to be a math genius to start. With tools like Python and libraries like TensorFlow, even beginners can dive in and create amazing projects. Let's break it down a bit more. Data is collected from various sources like surveys, sensors, or even social media. This raw data is then cleaned and organized, removing any errors or inconsistencies. Next, we choose an algorithm based on the problem we're trying to solve. We train the algorithm using our data, allowing it to learn patterns and make predictions. Once trained, we test the model to ensure its accuracy. If the model performs well, we can deploy it to make real-world predictions. And there you have it, a complete machine learning workflow. Now let's dive deeper into some key concepts. Supervised learning is like having a teacher guide you. You provide the algorithm with labeled data and it learns to make predictions based on that. For example, predicting house prices based on features like size and location. Unsupervised learning, on the other hand, is like exploring on your own. The algorithm finds patterns in data without any labels. A common use is customer segmentation, where businesses group customers based on purchasing behavior. Some popular algorithms include linear regression, which predicts a continuous outcome, and K-means clustering, which groups data into clusters. Real-world applications of machine learning are everywhere. From self-driving cars to medical diagnosis, the possibilities are endless. So ready to unlock the secrets of machine learning? Hit that subscribe button and join us on this exciting journey. Let's make learning fun and easy together.